Hello friends, I am Prashanth. Welcome to Research Your Food Knowledge platform. This is part 2 in the intermittent fasting video series. In case you haven't watched the first one, we are providing the link to it in the YouTube description and also as a card. In this video, we are going to discuss the benefits of intermittent fasting. In the third and final video in this series, we will explain the risks associated with it. Stay tuned for that by subscribing and turning on notification bell to know as soon as we post the video. Let's get started. Intermittent fasting's, in short, IF, primary appeal lies in its health benefits, which are backed by scientific research. Here is a closer look at some of the most impressive benefits. The first one is weight loss and fat loss. Fasting leads to natural reduction in calorie intake. By limiting the number of hours of eating, people often consume fewer calories overall. During fasting periods, the body burns stored fat for energy, which promotes fat loss. Research has shown that intermittent fasting can be as effective as traditional calorie restriction diets for weight loss, while being easier for many people to stick to long term. The second benefit is increased fat burning. Intermittent fasting can enhance the body's fat burning mechanisms. After several hours of fasting, insulin levels drop, encouraging the body to use stored fat as its primary energy source. Lower insulin levels make fat more accessible for burning, further promoting fat loss. The third benefit is boosted metabolism. Fasting can temporarily boost metabolism by increasing norepinephrine levels, a hormone that helps the body break down fat for energy. This spike in metabolism can improve energy expenditure, aiding in fat burning and overall weight management. The fourth one is improved insulin sensitivity. Intermittent fasting helps lower blood sugar levels and improves insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. By reducing the amount of insulin needed to maintain normal blood sugar levels, intermittent fasting allows the body to regulate blood glucose more effectively, preventing spikes and crashes. The fifth one is cellular repair. Fasting triggers autophagy, a cellular process where cells remove damaged components and regenerate healthier structures. This process not only enhances cellular function but also helps in preventing diseases such as cancer, Alzheimer's, and heart disease. Autophagy is the body's way of performing a cellular cleanup, which can contribute to longevity and improved health. The sixth benefit is heart health. Several studies suggest that intermittent fasting can lower risk factors for heart disease by reducing LDL cholesterol levels, that is bad cholesterol, triglycerides, blood pressure, and inflammation. Fasting may also help reduce oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to heart disease. These effects, combined with weight loss and improved insulin sensitivity, make intermittent fasting a promising strategy for cardiovascular health. The seventh and the last one is brain health. Intermittent fasting can benefit brain health by enhancing the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that promotes neuron growth and cognitive function. Studies suggest that fasting may also protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. To conclude, intermittent fasting is not just another trend. Backed by solid scientific research, it offers a range of health benefits from weight loss and fat burning to enhance cellular repair and heart health. While it may not be suitable for everyone, intermittent fasting provides a flexible and effective approach for many people looking to improve their overall health. As with any dietary change, it is important to consult with a healthcare provider to determine if intermittent fasting is the right approach for you. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. We hope to see you in our next video.